Just finished carpeting it. Got to trim them just to make it look tidy, but apart from that, just got to get it now in the van. Right, let's see what it looks like in the vehicle. Okay, I'll do a little bit of a van update while I'm here then. So, what I've done so far, so you know I put the bed in and everything, so now I've sectioned the bedroom off by putting the quarter panels in, both sides. We've got a shelf to go along here, I've got blue lights to go in there, underneath. I'll come back and just show you, so there we go, that's what the bedroom looks like. With the drawers, fuel tank, drawers, just got to fit them now. The drawers are fitted, I mean, but just put some good brackets in. That's what we're looking at the moment. Let's switch the lights on. So this is what it looks like this side. Not finished that at the moment. The kitchen, we're not too sure what we're doing. Just had a discussion with the wife, so we're going to have a look at that. Put some light on the matter. There we go. So, yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention. Oh, I can show that from the other side. I found one of the internal lights and I traced the wire back, took it out, and so now when I open the doors, back doors or side door, I've actually got a courtesy light. Hey! And yeah, we need it really. So it's quite handy to leave that. So that's what we're looking like at the moment. Any comments? Greatly received. I don't mind. There was a shelf up there. I'm going to put another one which will probably incorporate the electric box. Not too sure yet, because it's not shabby, it's not ugly, is it? Comments please down below, that would be great. Let me know what you think. I can put the shelf all the way across, which will incorporate that, so you won't see it. It'll be inside a cupboard. What do you think about that? Anyway, that's where we're up to at the moment. Just going to tidy up. There's under the bed, and there's the box, which I'm not joking, I could actually make that into a secondary bed if I wanted to, so it could sleep 4. I could actually put some sides on it and bring it back further to here, which would be no problem, and actually incorporate it into another bed. We will see. There we go. Okay, if you like the vid, just a quick update, that would be great. If you want to subscribe, if you're new to the channel, my name's Mark. All DIY stuff and camping, cooking, everything. There's a subscribe button just over here if you want to hit that, and then the notification bell. That'll bring up any more up and coming videos. You'll be notified. That would be great. Thank you very much indeed. Take care. Love you guys lots and lots and lots, and we'll see you in the next vid.